Hello, Mary Poppins. Would you like a spoonful of sugar?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. What?
What's that, Mary Poppins?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Chimney, chimney, chim.
Yeah.
Hello.
How's it going?
Are you filming?
Yes.
We're going to the waterfall.
Yeah, this is a cool route, huh?
Ah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, and the sun's behind the clouds. Oh God. So I've decided, since I'm here, I might as well just do it. This is a Japanese waterfall purification. And yeah. At first it was like, it was really hard to keep my breath. I was like, you know, but like after a little while, I just completely relaxed. It was actually kind of nice. So yeah, I'm gonna do it more often.